This is Realme 14X I have in front of me, and today I'll show how you can perform an initial system setup on this device. So first, select the language you would like to have your system in. Now, select your region as well. Next, you can read the legal side of things, the legal specifications, legal information rather. Now you can insert a SIM card and connect to a mobile network, or you can skip the step for now and do that later. You can also set this phone up using another device, or you can skip this step and continue with this Realme phone as a brand new or a fresh device rather. Here you can connect to a Wi-Fi network, which I will quickly do off camera. Once again, you can transfer the apps and data from your older phone or, a Google account perhaps, to this brand new Realme 14X. Or once again, you can select the don't copy option and, transfer nothing. Now you can optionally sign into your Google account, or you can skip the step for now and do that later on, since in order to take full advantage of this device you will need to add your Google account anyways. Now enable what Google services you would like to use and disable the ones you don't, and then press the accept button. Here select the default browser app that you would like to use. Then press the set as default and do the same for the search engine. Now you can configure the screen lock method, either classic password, so password pin or pattern, or enroll one of the biometrical screen lock methods, so fingerprint or face. Or once again, you can skip the step and set up the screen lock later down the line. Now you can review additional apps. I'll uncheck all of them, hit the OK button, and wait for your phone to get ready. Here you can enable or disable the features, should I rather say Realme services. So make that selection and then press next button. Now select what screen scale or display scale you would like to have, default, medium, or large. Select your preferred navigation method between gestures and buttons. And that should be it. Yep, here's the Realme UI. Let's wait a few seconds here. Yep, and as you can see, the system has been successfully set up. So you can start using your device. It is so loaded with the bloatware, as you can see, but what can you do? I guess nothing. Well, anyway, as far as the setup goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.